Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Power the MPC Live Roman 2 and connect headphones or studio monitors before starting. Press Browser to find your sample folders and files quickly. Load a drum kit or one-shot samples to pads number 1 through 16. Set the project tempo to 120 BPM for a starting point. Set the grid to 1/16 notes for precise quantized timing. Adjust sample start and length in seconds to trim unwanted silence cleanly. Choose a new project pad mode and arm a track for recording immediately. Record a 4-bar loop at 120 BPM while monitoring levels and headroom carefully. Set quantize to 1/16 and apply 12% swing for a human feel. Use pad velocity and pad repeat to add dynamics and controlled rolls on hi-hats. Layer kicks and snares on separate tracks for easier mixing later. Use mute groups to keep open and closed hat patterns from clashing. Balance track levels and pan elements to create a clear stereo image for your beat. Add EQ and compression, gently so peaks never exceed 0 dBFS during busy sections. Automate volume or filter sweeps to build arrangement interest across 8 or 16 bars. Save the project file with a clear name immediately after mixing to prevent data loss. Export stems or a stereo WAV at 44.1 kHz.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.